Smash that like button if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more career content like this. Let's dive deeper into best practices for converting PDFs to engaging videos with AI. First, always review your PDF for clarity and structure. Well-organized documents convert more smoothly into video content. Consider breaking long sections into shorter, focused segments. This keeps your video concise and viewer-friendly. Use visuals that match your message. For example, if your PDF discusses trends, include dynamic charts or infographics. Leverage AI's customization features. Adjust colors, fonts, and transitions to match your brand identity. Don't forget to add call-outs or on-screen text to highlight key points. This boosts retention and engagement. A common mistake is overloading slides with too much information. Keep each scene focused on a single idea. Test your video with a small audience before publishing. Gather feedback and make improvements. Advanced users can experiment with interactive elements like clickable links or embedded quizzes, if your platform supports it. Finally, remember to update your videos regularly as your content evolves. This keeps your audience engaged and informed. How to convert PDFs into engaging video with AI in seconds. How to convert PDFs to videos with Synthesia 1. Upload your PDF to Synthesia 2. Customize the video with branding and preferences 3. Editing and refining the video 4. Customizing the final video 5. Adding music and final touches. I'm going to show you how to turn long, boring PDFs into engaging video presentations with almost no effort at all, thanks to Synthesia's AI assistant. But first, did you know that 97% of learning and development professionals find video more effective than text-based documents? That means if you're still creating PDFs and not turning them into videos, you're missing out, especially since it's ridiculously easy to do with AI. I'm going to walk you through how to convert a PDF to video with AI using a real-world example. Let's dive in. Why convert PDFs to videos? Let's be real, nobody wants to read a 44-page PDF, not even when it's about a topic they're actually interested in. Take this YouTube Trends report for example. It's packed with valuable insights, but at 44 pages long, who has the time or patience to go through it? And that's just one example. Imagine all the mandatory PDFs people get at work. Most people don't read them. That's where video comes in. Video isn't just more engaging, it actually helps with better information retention. So if I were YouTube, I'd take this long report and turn it into a compelling video presentation in minutes using Synthesia. And guess what? That's exactly what I'm about to do. Step by step, converting a PDF to video with AI 1. Upload your PDF to Synthesia first, head over to Synthesia and click on AI Video Assistant. Now, we need to upload our PDF. You could also start from a blog post, web page, or a script, but in this case, I'm going to upload the YouTube Trends report. Once uploaded, Synthesia allows me to choose a video template. I like this particular presenter avatar because she matches YouTube's branding. 2. Customize the video with branding and preferences. Here's where the magic happens. With Synthesia's brand kit, I can make sure my video matches YouTube's branding, using YouTube's colors, red, white, black, logo, and preferred avatars. I also set the video length. Since the original report is 44 pages long, I choose a 5-minute video to condense the information effectively. Now, I define my objective. Highlight the top trends from this report and educate viewers on why they matter. And for audience, I choose YouTubers. That's it. I hit Create Outline, and Synthesia automatically generates a structured video outline from my PDF. 3. Editing and refining the video. Now that my outline is ready, I can review and tweak it. For example, if I don't want a section on gaming trends, I can remove that chapter entirely. It's super easy to edit and refine before moving forward. Once I'm happy with the structure, I click Create Video, and Synthesia generates an entire video, including a script, scenes, and visuals. 4. Customizing the final video. Synthesia gives me a fully generated video with on-brand visuals, a talking AI presenter, text animations. Everything is customizable, just like tweaking a PowerPoint. If I want to swap the presenter or change the script, I can do that in seconds. For example, instead of Imagine a World, I can simply type Imagine a Universe, and Synthesia instantly updates the video. It's that fast. I also check the B-roll and stock footage. If I don't like a certain clip, I can replace it in one click. To make the video even more engaging, I add background music. I search for something in the tech digital theme and find a track called Tech Nostalgia, perfect for the topic. I apply it to all scenes, and just like that, my video is ready to export. Before generating, I can edit the video title and description, AI generated based on my PDF. Choose whether to burn in captions. I skip captions for this one. Finally, I hit generate, and within minutes my PDF has transformed into an engaging, fully produced video. Instead of forcing people to slog through a 44-page PDF, I now have a professional video presentation that's far more engaging and easier to consume. You can try this for free. I promise you'll be blown away by how easy and effective this is. Now that you've seen how easy it is to convert a PDF into a video with Synthesia, let's take it a step further. What separates a good video from a truly outstanding one? It's all about best practices and tapping into the full power of AI customization. First, let's talk real-world use cases. Many companies are transforming lengthy onboarding documents into quick, engaging video modules, dramatically boosting new employee retention and satisfaction. Educators are turning dense research papers into dynamic lesson recaps, while marketers effortlessly repurpose white papers into shareable video content for social media. But even with powerful AI tools, there are a few common mistakes to watch out for. One big pitfall is trying to cram too much information into a single video. Remember, less is more. Break complex PDFs into shorter, focused video chapters to keep your audience engaged. Another mistake is ignoring your audience's attention span. Education. Turn classroom PDFs into engaging mini-lectures or visual study guides. For example, transform a long syllabus or reading packet into a short walkthrough with key highlights and visuals. Students stay more engaged when they can see and hear the material, not just read it. It's also great for flipped classrooms or remote learning. Marketing. Revamp white papers, one-pagers, or campaign summaries into scroll-stopping videos. Got a PDF case study? Turn it into a short, shareable success story for LinkedIn or email. Visla makes your static content dynamic, helping you get more eyes on your work without starting from scratch. Sales. Convert technical PDFs like product specs or slide decks into quick explainer videos that prospects can actually sit through. For example, use Visla to break a 10-page product overview into a 90-second voice-narrated demo. You'll save time, stand out, and close deals faster. Business communications. Turn dense internal docs into watchable updates your team won't ignore. Instead of emailing a 5-page policy change, share a 2-minute video that hits the main points with visuals and voiceover. It's perfect for quarterly recaps, team onboarding, or sharing company updates company-wide. Use visuals, animations, and concise scripts to highlight only the most important insights. Now for advanced customization, don't be afraid to play with Synthesia's settings. Choose avatars that reflect your brand's personality, adjust the pacing for different topics, and swap out stock footage to better fit your message. You can even upload your own background music or add interactive elements like clickable links or end screens to drive engagement. Finally, always preview your video before publishing. Check for clarity, pacing, and visual consistency. A few extra minutes of review can take your video from good to great. By following these tips and exploring all the customization options AI offers, you'll not only save hours of manual work, but create videos that truly connect with your audience. Ready to level up your content? Let's move on to the next step.